compressor is conveniently integrated into the existing rear panels of the vehicle. A lengthy, an 8-meter air hose, complete with deflation device and pressure. As Paul will show us, the hose is easily deployed and attached to the tire. Compressor is a great system for off-road use or a convenient safety feature. Started. When the hose is attached, the tire automatically inflates to the desired pressure. When the required pressure is reached, the compressor automatically shuts down. Precise engineering, extreme testing, exacting manufacturing, all adds up to the world's best integrated air compressor system that won't leave you flat.